What is the value of 249 square minus 248 square? Got scared? Because it involves such a large multiplication. Multiply 249 with 249, find the answer, and then multiply 248 with 248 and then find the answer. Yes, that is a long traditional way of doing it, but there is an alternative to this, especially in this question, and that is what we are going to learn. Let's do this. The given question is 249 square minus 248 square. Now, look at this question and see if it is resembling to any of the identities. Yes, it is. A square minus B square. And if you consider, then here A is 249 and here B is 248. The expansion of A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B. So, you see, that is our trigger point, and now we know how to solve this question. Just use this identity and expand it. So what we get? A plus B, the first expression, that is 249 plus 248. Then in the next bracket we have A minus B, that is 249 minus 248, which is equal to, we have to do 249 and 248. Just add it. You get 9 plus 8, 17, 7, 1, 4, 4, 8, 1, 9 and 2, 2, 4. So here we can write 4, 9, 7 and 249 minus 248. Simple, 1. See, we got 497 as the answer, and that too so quickly in no time. So you just have to know where, when and how to use the identities or the formulae to solve a question. And once you know it, once you apply it, your answers are going to be straight away without you getting stuck in any complex mathematical calculations. Believe me, StudyMare, not anymore.